Please, no, I'll do anything.
Billy!
Please help.
Billy, you're still down here? I brought your shoes.
Why did you bring them?
Well, Mom told me to bring them to you.
Well, I'm not worried about shoes. I'm worried about the monster.
Put them on!
Ah!
Hello? Why are you making that noise?
What do you want?
Looks like she wants you, Billy.
Oh!
Oh?
I'm scared.
Oh, they're dancing.
Yo, meatballs, Mom said dinner's ready.
Hold on, Billy's having his prom dance in the basement.
Prom dance?